What up, guys? You guys ready? Science time! Science time! I mean, I'm not really prepared for this, but I got something really cool in the mail, and it made me really excited, and I didn't want to wait. Obviously, I'll make maybe a better video at another time, but for now, I thought I'd make this. All right, you guys, I'm gonna wait for a couple more people to show you my super duper surprise. But you guys know, I mean, all you guys make slime, right? So we don't want to really go too much over how we make slime. I have some slime here, and so I'm gonna have to do this and use my phone. So here's the slime. I already made it. Basically, you just get some glue, just some regular glue. You don't have to use this glow glue. I just happen to have glow glue, and you can use you can either use borax and water, which works really, really good, actually better than this, but also just some, contact cleaner, if you have some of that around, and a little bit of water, right? And you mix that around, but I threw in some glow paint, which is pretty cool, right? You guys wanna check it out? Look at that. It totally glows. It's the way to do it. Check that out. It's totally eating my UV black light. Woo! All right, so let me turn that off. So that's really cool. So it's a polymer, right? So glue is a polymer. Basically what that is it has long molecule strands, and that helps it stick to stuff and helps you put your crafts together and glue things together and everything. But once you put an activator in there, right? So it takes those long molecule strands and it kind of pulls them together to where you get this stretchy cool stuff. Look at that you could totally play with. Now, you might wonder, Gene, why do you have gloves on? Because slime is super cool to play with just your hands. I super duper agree. 1000% I agree. All right, but check out what we're going to do. So, you guys see that? That's the Earth. The Earth is basically a giant magnet, right? What does that do with slime? Hold on, stay with me. And it'll move. So I'm gonna show you guys something. I have a magnet here. This is one of the MOBA glows, they're kind of cool. Look at that, because there's a magnet inside of it. Look at that. So, north and north repel each other. So opposites attract. That's how magnets work. But have you ever seen the magnetic field? So all of this, still we're about slime. I know, you're like, Gene, seriously, you have no idea where you're going. Stay with me, because I'm so excited. I was thinking about this when I was doing this other thing. All right, so I'm gonna see if you guys can see this. So this is just the top to a mango tray, because mangoes are good. All right, and I'm gonna put it on top of these magnets. So I'm just gonna set it on here clear, and then guess what I got in the mail? This is powdered iron, right? It's just iron. I'm super excited about this. So look at that. See that iron right there? You guys ever seen the magnetic field? Remember when we were talking about our electromagnetic wave sensors, our eyes, where we could see a spectrum of light? But, so, there's a really strong magnet under here, and we're gonna put this powdered magnet on here. We're still doing slime. We're still gonna do slime, I promise. Stay with me. All right, so I'll take the camera over here, but I'm literally just shaking this on here. I'm not doing anything special to it. I'm literally just shaking on the iron onto the magnet. Now, I'm gonna turn this around so you guys can check it out. Look at that. What? You guys see that? And then, if I, watch this, guys. This is so cool. Okay, let's shake it down, shake it down. No, because it's on the magnet. What? That's so ridiculous. Let me see if I can move it. Make a little bit of a mess, that was okay. So if I turn the magnets, you see that magnetic field? So if it was just the magnets, it would be a square, right? But it's not. You see how parts of it are raised and parts of it aren't? So it's going, so the North Pole and the South Pole, and it's finding where it needs to be. That's the magnetic field. How cool is that? That's pretty neat. And I think I have something more cool than that. Are you guys ready? Let's take it to the next level. All right, I'm gonna take this slime, you guys, and I'm gonna mix it with this iron. Can you guess why? Take this non-Newtonian fluid, because it doesn't follow Newton's rules, right? This polymer that has been activated. Why would I want to put iron in it? Anybody have a good guess? These are neodymium magnets, so they're pretty strong. You see those are on the end of my little light thing here. I was hoping to get batteries for them, but we didn't have batteries. All right, so let's check it out. Whoa! Whoa! You guys! You guys! What? You guys! You guys! I made magnetic slime right in front of you, just now. Oh my goodness! I'm so stoked for my own self. My own mind is blown. We just made magnetic slime. First we made slime, then we made glow slime, and then we totally just made magnetic slime. Oh, wait, where's all the other ones in there? Holy majority. Is this one, do these work? I don't know. Are they not strong enough? I don't know. Oh my gosh, don't look at that. Can you guys see that? It's totally coming up. Can you guys see that? Come on. Whoa! You guys see that? What? That's what's up, guys. All right, guys, we did it. We made slime. We made glow slime. Now we made magnetic slime. We literally took this to the next level. All right, guys, stay curious. Keep on sciencing. Make a mess. I gotta clean this up. Do something shorter. All right, you guys, that's a glow whoa, man, that's ridiculous. This is so cool. All right, stay curious and keep on sciencing. What? It's like Venom. You know how Venom just like and consumes things? Venom from Spider-Man? Oh my goodness. That's ridiculousness. Look at that. I totally can, when I take the light away, it's still like super glowy. Let me see. Oh man, that's pretty sick. And it's pretty strong, right? So the magnet's actually grabbing the iron. So I don't know. All right, let's see. I'm gonna watch. Ready? Whoa! What? You guys, that's pretty